All right, January 19th, morning here. Martin Luther King Day in the United States, a federal holiday. I collaged on 3 postage stamps. I have to look up the date this was issued. I found my adolescent, early teen years stamp collection. Toward United Nations April 12, 1945. Franklin D. Roosevelt, 5 cents US postage. I have to look up the date. He was shot to death by a Nazi sergeant at the Berga concentration death camp. I think it was in March. Okay. Next to where I drew Trump, like in old Germanic letters. I attached this Third Reich postage stamp, DeutscheReich of Hitler. And I'm going to be going over where I wrote B-L-E-E-C-H, Blech, with like watercolor or white gouache, just make it more visible. And we have another, I looked this up on the internet, and I covered part of it with drawing Zeitung, something marked DeutscheReich, like a newspaper postage stamp, also from the Third Reich. And I'm going to be going over where I outline blah in mix upper and lower case, B-L-A-H exclamation. All right, to be continued. Almost done here. I got another allegorical sea monster at lower left. A couple of yucky insects over here. And I added more teeth to the allegorical sea monster morass in the upper section. Okay, stay tuned. How are we doing over there, guys, gals, boys? Okay? Hope you enjoyed your breakfast. It's really foggy outside. Whoosh. Winter. Okay, just 12 more seconds here.